Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present to you the healthy habits of before and after using the computer. First is to sanitize your hand. And next, you have to scrub your hand well. And if it's still wet, use a clean tissue and wipe it around your hand. And then now, we have to throw it in the trash can. And now we can use the computer. If you are done using the computer, make sure to shut it down. Okay, let's start the password. Now we're going first to start my password, and then we'll use the computer. We feel sometimes that we can cough or sneeze. When you feel that, make sure you have the tissue beside you. For example, when you sneeze or cough, put it in your mouth or nose and cough or sneeze like this. Like that. And because sometimes that thing is here, is to throw it in the trash first. And now we have to sanitize our hands again. And then we can use the computer again. Back. Let's start. Let's open it. Now we are done using the computer. Now I'm going to shut it down. And then again, another time we sanitize our hand before leaving the computer. Make sure you shouldn't put the sanitizer in the computer. Now you have learned the healthy habits of before